Cadillac has once again made waves at Monterey Car Week, this time with a concept car that looks like it rolled straight out of a Mad Max movie but checked into a luxury resort. Meet the Cadillac Elevated Velocity, a futuristic SUV that merges extreme off-road capability with high-end sophistication, and hints at where the brand's design and technology might be heading. Following last year's Opulent Velocity concept, the Elevated Velocity takes Cadillac's bold vision even further. During a recent media briefing, Cadillac executives revealed that this design study is all about exploring new possibilities in performance, technology, and even lifestyle features. They even encouraged enthusiasts to share feedback, so if you like what you see, Cadillac wants to hear from you. At first glance, the Elevated Velocity resembles a high-class version of the Local Motors Rally Fighter. The front end ditches Cadillac's traditional black crystal shield grille in favor of a sleek, body-colored one. The lighting design is equally striking, with elegant fluted light units that add a sense of grandeur. But the real shocker comes when you take in the SUV's full profile. Gone is the usual Cadillac bodywork, replaced with soft curves, flowing surfaces, massive 24-inch wheels, and dramatic gull-wing doors for that show-stopping entrance. The design team didn't stop there. They added a rakish windscreen, coupe-like greenhouse with blue-tinted glass, Mondrian-inspired graphics, and a rugged touch with pronounced cladding. Finished in an eye-catching vapor blue paint, the Elevated Velocity is both futuristic and ready for adventure. Around back, the unique styling continues with an aggressive diffuser, slim taillights, and even a small gun-slit-style rear window. Inside, Cadillac kept things surprisingly minimalist, especially for a concept. The 2+2 seating layout is wrapped in Morello red and Napa leather with cerise and garnet boucle fabric accents. The result is a rich mix of colors and textures. Unlike most modern interiors overloaded with giant touchscreens, Cadillac intentionally kept screens subtle, hiding them in unexpected places, including the steering wheel and a crystal-inspired floating center console. But here's where the Elevated Velocity really goes sci-fi. It features an Elevate mode that turns the SUV into a fully autonomous relaxation pod. When activated, the pedals and steering wheel retract, the cabin transforms into a recovery space, and you get red light therapy, a breathing coach, air purification, and even fragrance diffusion to help you unwind. When it's time to drive, Velocity Mode brings the steering wheel back, displays speed, time, and battery status, and uses an augmented reality heads-up display for navigation. Under the Fantasy hood, Cadillac imagines a dual-motor AWD system capable of delivering hypercar-level thrills. The concept also introduces wild off-road features like Terra Mode for extra ground clearance and a Sand Vision system for navigating sandstorms, similar to Night Vision but for extreme desert conditions. And if things get dirty, the self-cleaning body can literally shake off dust with dust-phobic vibration technology. As a final quirky touch, the Elevated Velocity comes with a handcrafted polo set stored in a vapor blue case, complete with helmet, gloves, knee pads, and a Morello red mallet. This nods to Cadillac's tradition of adding eccentric luxury items to its concept cars. Last year's Soleil concept came with custom bird calls. While it's unlikely we'll see the Elevated Velocity hit production exactly as shown, it's a crystal ball into Cadillac's future, a future where performance, luxury, and wild imagination collide.